If you are someone who want to build with AI and don't want to spend a lot of money on it, you are actually looking for the Codex. And in today's video, we are going to learn everything about Codex you need to know. Not only that, I'm going to build a real project here which have potential to make money on the internet. So this video is going to be a complete guide, and after that you don't have to watch any other video on Codex. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is download Codex from Codex website. You can just Google on download Codex and you will able to download Codex for your Mac or for your Windows. Yes, now Codex is available for Windows also. Now once you have installed your Codex, this is how it look like. In the left side you will see new thread, plugins and automations, and here you will see all the threads, like all the project you are building, and on the top side you can access the files, edit on all the sections. On the right side, here is an option to open your particular code in cursor, VS Code and all other editor options like you have. And from here, clicking here, you can open the terminal. From here you can check out your Git history, and from here you can open a pop-up chat. Here is the setting. So these are the basic interface, and the one of the most important thing is this particular window, chat window, where we are going to spend most of the time. From here you can choose the model, and I am going with GPT 5.4, right? From here you can select the reasoning level, like how much time it thinks. I'm going to select medium because I don't want to go high and spend a lot of time. From here you can select the default permission and you can give the full access. For now I am giving the full access because I want to make it fast. And from here you can choose your project should be run on local or somewhere else, and from here you can configure your rate limit. Now we are going to build our project. Before start building our project, one thing I forget to mention, that you can start using Codex for free, and if you want higher limit you can buy a minimum subscription of Go. I think that's sufficient, and we are going to use Go subscription in this today's video, so it is more than enough for you if you are someone who is starting out in vibe coding or want to build a simple product. If you are not a heavy consumer, I think Go subscription is more than enough, and Codex limits are very generous, so you will not hit them easily. Okay, so it's time to build the real project. So I am going to ask Codex to build the project, and I am going to use Whisperflow to speak because I am not going to write the entire long prompt. Okay, so I will speak. I want to build a Clipper project where I can give YouTube video URL. Okay, so I asked the Codex to create a particular project where I can put my YouTube video URL and I can get clips from that, because as a YouTuber and or for a general audience who want clips, it is very hard. Like you have to visit multiple websites, want to wait for a few seconds, and a lot of things goes in. So it will be very easy for me to get the clips, like for horizontally vertical clips, and if we want we can advance them with the AI powered, where we can get viral clips from a particular video. As you can see, a lot of podcasts hire clippers for that, so they can get viral clips from YouTube video, but you can automate that by building this type of cool project. So let's see what Codex give us, and then we will compare it, and if needed we will improve it. By the way, I forget to mention one thing. We have to like load project from here, and I directly like message it, so it is not able to find the directory. So from clicking here you can open a project. Like I have created a folder Codex, it is an empty folder, but I will select that particular folder and open it here, and then I will use this particular prompt. As you can see, our folder is selected, and now I will paste this particular prompt here and send. If you try out that way, it can also build it, but if you want to be very specific about folders, like store your project, you can click here and add your project here. Now it's start working, and hopefully we will see our live working app in a few minutes. Now as you can see, Codex done a very great thing by breaking down the entire task in 4 subtasks. Like now first of all it will create the project, then it implement the backend and front end, all the things, then it will build a polished front end and run a check to make sure everything is there and everything is working. It is absolutely amazing to see that I have given an empty folder, nothing there. Now Codex can build from zero to a complete project. By the way, while it's working, I want to tell you few pro tips which very few people know. That while it's working, you can go in this particular folder where we are building, and you can start another agent. Yes, you can start another chat, and you can ask like do to something else. Maybe while you are working on backend, you want to fix something on front end. Maybe you want to create another feature, and one chat is working for one feature. Now you can ask for another feature. For example, I'm just asking hi right now, not asking something to build. But as you can see, this one is keep building, and this one is start building another time, and this one is also building, right? So you don't have to wait for one output, you can like build parallelly, and you can create a lot more things. And the other thing I want to tell you is about automations. Yes, now you can use automations, and these automations are great. Like if you are working with the team and you want like a summary of what your developer did, and you can create automation which summarize git history of the last day for you. You can create your own automation by clicking here, and there are a lot of plugins available out there which you can use. Maybe you want to like directly deploy it, you can use Vercel for that. Maybe you want to push it on the GitHub, you can use GitHub for that. And a lot of more like Jira, and a lot more like Figma, Linear, Gmail, and a lot others. Like if you connected with Gmail, you can ask anything related to Gmail, so it's crazy good. Let's go back to our particular chat. Now, as you can see, the entire project is built by Codex. Either you can go and run these particular commands. So I am going to ask Codex to run this project. Okay, so when I ask Cloud Code to run it, it run the project, and now I am on my localhost 3000, and here you can see turn any moment into clean downloadable clip, and you can see the format is horizontal and vertical formats are supported. You can clip control and a lot of other things. Now I am giving a YouTube link from my own video where I share Anthropic AI courses. If you have not watched a crazy video, a lot of free AI courses from Anthropic is there, but we are going to clip that out. You can choose from this particular bar from here, or you can write down your second here, but right now I am choosing from here, and it will also show me the clip length. For example, it's 40 seconds, let's make it 20 seconds. And then you can select like if you want to download it horizontal or vertical. I will go with the vertical for now, and I will click on the download clip, and it will prepare the clip for me. And then we can see a pop-up window open, and we can download that clip for us. And as you can see, a pop-up window is opened, and we can like click on the save, and we can open it in any media player. And as you can see, it is started from that particular second, and it is like in the midway of that video. I hope you understood how it works and how you can use Codex to build product like this. And to be honest, I want to say a few things about Codex. If you are someone who can't wait, because Codex take a lot of time, especially when you enable thinking power to high or extra high. Don't do it extra high, it will take a lot of time. But I really like one thing, that it will figure it out. It is doing their own testing, it will do everything to test that app. So at the end, you will get an output which is really working. It will not depend on you to fix the app. It will automatically do the things itself and fix the app and give you the final output. It is good, crazy good thing. Another best thing, it is freely available. You can test it out for freely, and the free limit is very generous. After that, you can subscribe to around $9 or $8 subscription, which is Go subscription, and you can use it to build your personal projects. Or maybe you want to create a SaaS. Let me know if you want a more deep dive video on Codex. If you have any project inside your mind, let me know in the comment section. We are going to build that project using Codex, and I am going to, of course, improve this particular product and use it for myself. And maybe if I feel, I can publish it to other audience. But yeah, that's it. And I hope you understood everything about Codex. If you are someone who is looking for similar type of videos, a lot of videos on this YouTube channel related to AI, and we build a lot of AI related content. So subscribe this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.